So this video is going to look at the relationship of volume of cones and pyramids with cylinders and square-based pyramids. So we're going to start with a square-based pyramid compared to, in this case, a cube or rectangular prism. So what I want you to think about is how many of these pyramids, these have the exact same face, they share a face, so the square face is the same. How many of these pyramids do you think would fit inside that rectangular prism, in this case, inside the cube? So I just want you to kind of, in your head, make a prediction. Do you think it's 1? Do you think it's 2, 3, 4? How many do you think would fit? So what we're going to do is we're going to actually explore that. We're going to see if I fill that with water. Okay, so that's filled up with water. That's 1. That's what it looks like with 1. That's what it looks like with 2. Okay. And there is 3. So as you can tell, 3 of the pyramids fit inside that cube. Now let's recall the volume of a rectangular prism, or in this case, a cube, is base times height times depth. So if 3 of these pyramids fit inside, to get the volume of a pyramid then, we just have to take the base height and depth, and we need to divide it by 3. So that is the formula for volume of a square-based pyramid. Base height depth divided by 3. Now let's explore what a cylinder and a cone have in common. So likewise, these two shapes share the same face. So they both have the same circle that forms their face. What I want you to think about is how many of these cones do you think would fit inside that cylinder? So how many cones would fit in the cylinder? Again, just kind of think to yourself, make a prediction, and we're going to look at same thing. We're going to fill that up. So there's 1 filled up. There's 2. And there is 3. So 3 of these cones fit inside 1 cylinder. So again, if we had to come up with a formula for volume of a cone, we know that volume of a cylinder is pi times r squared times height. So that there is the volume of a cylinder. And if 3 cones fit in that cylinder, to get the volume of a cone, that would just be pi times r squared times height divided by 3. So that's how you get the volume of your square-based pyramid and of your cone.